Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's virtual lesson on Introduction to Technology and Livelihood Education. I'm Joy M. Chaloy, one of your instructors for this session. I hope you're all ready to dive into some exciting learning. We will be tackling about the technology and livelihood education as well as its components and specializations. In technology and livelihood education, it is a curriculum designed to equip students with practical skills and knowledge in various technical and vocational fields in areas such as home economics, agriculture, information and communication technology, and industrial arts. The topics to be discussed are the following: what is TLE? The four component areas, which are home economics, agriculture, information and communication technology, and industrial arts, as well as the importance of TLE. For the lesson objectives, at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to identify the different component areas of TLE, determine the different specializations of the four component areas of TLE, and reflect on the importance of TLE and its different component areas. Let's start our lesson on the Introduction to Technology and Livelihood Education. So who wants to tell me what is the meaning of TLE and what are your ideas about it? Okay, that's right. TLE stands for Technology and Livelihood Education, and it is also a subject of the K-12 curriculum, which aims to develop your skills in the different areas of TLE. It emphasizes the development of technological literacy and the ability to use educational technologies effectively in vocational and technical learning environments. The goals of technology education include helping you, the students, become more technological literate, understanding the role of technology in society, and preparing you for your future careers. Let's now proceed to the four components of TLE. Do you have any idea what are the four components of TLE? Okay, so the first component is the agri-fishery arts. Second one is home economics. Third one is industrial arts. And last one is the information and communication technology. Let's proceed in understanding each of the components of TLE. Who can give me the meaning of home economics? Okay, that's right. It focuses on practical skills related to managing a household and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It covers a wide range of topics including cooking and nutrition, budgeting and financial management, sewing and clothing care, home maintenance, and family relationships, which are all important in developing the practical life skills that are essential for daily living. Now, who can give me some specializations under the home economics? That's right. Here are some examples of the specializations in home economics: cookery, bartending, housekeeping, and food beverage services. For the next TLE component area, it is agri-fishery. So what comes into your mind when you hear agri or fishery? Okay, it is for agriculture, it is planting, harvesting, and many more, while for fishery, it is raising fishes or any marine life. So for agri-fishery subject, In TLE, it focuses on the study and practice of agricultural and fishery-related activities. This includes topics such as crop production, animal husbandry, aquaculture, fisheries management, and sustainable farming practices. For the specializations in agri-fishery arts, these are the following: pest management, fish products packaging, agriculture crops production, and animal healthcare management. Are there any questions on the agri-fishery arts? If none, let's proceed to the next one. What do you observe on the picture being shown? Very good. It's a boy who is making a hand tool box. So, the next component area of TLE to be discussed is the industrial arts. In here, it focuses on developing practical skills related to various industrial and technical fields. It covers a wide range of topics, including woodworking, metalworking, electronics, drafting, and automotive technology. Now that we know the meaning of industrial arts, who can give me four specializations under industrial arts? Very good, because you have mentioned four correct specializations under industrial arts, which are the following: welding, carpentry, automotive servicing, and electrical installation and maintenance. Who among the class are using these gadgets in their homes? Okay, almost everyone have these gadgets in their home. So for our next component area and last, it is the ICT. Who can give me the meaning of ICT? Okay, it is information and communication technology. This component of TLE focuses on teaching students how to effectively use technology tools and applications for different purposes, such as communication, research, data analysis, and problem solving. Let's now proceed on the different specializations in ICT. These are the following: contact center services, animation, technical drafting, and computer system servicing. Do you have any questions or clarifications regarding ICT? If none, let's proceed to the last topic, which is the importance of TLE. Let's now proceed to the importance of TLE. Each component area plays a crucial role in preparing students for future careers and providing them with valuable skills that are in demand in the workplace. Youth students are provided with hands-on experience, practical skills, and knowledge that will be helpful in order for you to succeed in various industries and professions that you will later take on in the future. Now that we are done on the component areas of TLE and its specializations as well as its importance, who are excited to take on the TLE subject and choose their specializations in the near future? I hope that you are all excited to take the TLE subject. Now, let's test your understanding with a few quick evaluation questions. I'll ask the question and I want you to pause the video to think about your answer. Ready? Here's the first question. It focuses on teaching students how to effectively use technology tools and applications for various purposes, such as communication, research, data analysis, and problem solving. Now, pause the video and think about your answer. That's right. The correct answer is information and communication technology. For the next question, among the given pairs of specializations, choose specializations of information and communication technology. Pause the video and think about your answer. The correct answer is animation and computer system servicing. For the third question, it aims to equip students with the knowledge and skills needed to engage in agricultural and fishery-related industries, promoting food security, environmental sustainability, and economic development in rural communities. Pause the video now and think about your answer. And the correct answer is agri-fishery arts. For the fourth question, among the given pairs of specializations, choose specializations of home economics. Now, pause the video and think about your answers. And the correct answer is cookery and food beverage services. For the last question, it aims to equip students with the knowledge and skills needed to work in industries such as manufacturing, construction, engineering, and technology. Pause the video now and think about your answer. And the correct answer is industrial. Excellent! You got a perfect score. Very good, because you answered all the questions correctly. It shows that you really understood our lesson. For our lesson recap, we have learned the different meaning of technology and livelihood education, wherein it focuses on providing students with the necessary skills and knowledge to succeed in specific occupations and careers. So, to conclude our lesson for today, we must reflect on the significance of technology and livelihood education, which is designed to provide students with practical experiences, valuable knowledge, essential skills, and important values that are relevant to their future careers and everyday lives. It is through hands-on training, theoretical learning, and real-world applications. By integrating practical skills with academic knowledge, TLE equips students with the tools they need to thrive in modern workforce and contribute meaningfully to the society. Are there any questions? None. Okay, so thank you for listening and see you on our next virtual lesson.